Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Seneca County, Marion County, Wyandotte County, Crawford County, Hancock County, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Findlay to Waynes Field, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Marion, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Bluffton, Galion, Crestline, Forest, Arlington, Prospect, New Washington, Bloomville, Sycamore, LaRue, Rawson, Morrill, Van Loo, Waldo, New Regal, and Chatfield. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.